I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi A3 steering wheel. Begin by disconnecting the battery to prevent airbag deployment. Next, remove the airbag module carefully and store it facing up. Keep the steering wheel centered and mark alignment points. Use a proper puller to avoid damage and count the rotation turns when swapping wheels. Finally, reconnect components and torque fasteners to factory specifications for safe operation. Remove the airbag module slowly and follow all safety guidance to avoid accidental deployment. Start by turning the wheel to access the rear retaining clips, then depress them to release the module. Lift the airbag straight out and set it face up on a stable, non-conductive surface. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector using its tab and label any plugs. Keep the battery disconnected until reassembly is fully complete to reduce risk. With the airbag removed, center the steering wheel and mark alignment to the steering shaft. Loosen the center nut but leave it threaded to prevent the wheel from popping free. Fit a steering wheel puller and extract the wheel evenly. Slide the new wheel onto the shaft matching your marks, then tighten the center nut to specified torque. Reconnect connectors, verify horn and controls function, and ensure the wheel sits centered before finalizing reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.